Hello guys, welcome back to our class today. So right now what I'm going to be teaching on this video today is how you can fund your account, how you can fund your portfolio. The same process through which you fund your portfolio is actually the same process through which you also withdraw your profit to your local account, because it's a big part of investment. You need to know how to fund your portfolio, fund your account, and also how to pull your money whenever you wish. So the first thing you must do is this: you come to your balances. So once your account has been approved, you come to balances, and then you will see the different account available for you to fund. You have the vault balance. The vault balance is just like a fixed account for dollar, a fixed account for dollars. The same thing, fixed income portfolio is the same as fixed account for naira. If you are in Ghana, the same thing, you will see fixed account income portfolio for Ghana cedis. The same thing, vault account for dollar. So you don't fund this vault balance or the fixed income portfolio. You either use your country, if it's Ghana, the Ghana cedis portfolio, or you use the US portfolio. So either of these ones, you must choose the particular one. So right now I want to fund my US portfolio using my naira account, using my naira bank account to fund my US portfolio. Remember, I said that whether it's US portfolio, you don't need to go and be looking for dollar to buy. You don't need to do that. All you just need to do is to fund it, and that is what I'm going to do right now. So follow this process. The first thing you do, you click on the US, make it active. When you click on it, you come to fund naira, fund US dollars. So if you are the type that uses a dollar account or dollar card, you can fund using your US dollar, using your card to enter it, or you use naira. But for me, I will use the naira. So I'm going to do that. I'll come here now. It's okay. Naira debit card. I don't want to use naira debit card. I don't usually do that. I do bank transfer. So using bank transfer, Trove will generate account for you to pay in. So I will click on bank transfer and say continue. So how much do I want to invest? Okay, let me just put let me see if I can put 10,000. Let me put 10,000 naira. Yes, so you say continue. Oh, my network is a little bit low, so I will wait a little while and then redo it, because I need it to go through. I don't want any error on this. So any amount at all you want to invest, it could be 1 million naira, it could be 5 million, it could be 10 million, it could be 2 million, or 500,000, or 100, or 200,000. Any amount you want to invest in this account, you come here to fund it, and this is the process through which you fund this account. So I'll say let me try again. You need to generate an account for me to fund. Once that account is generated, I will just use my phone to do the transfer from my bank, and it will be automatically activated. So let me check this network. All right, so now you can see what it has done for me right away. The cost of this 10,000 I want to invest, I want to fund, the processing fee is 132 naira 1 kobo, and the exchange rate is 1,681 naira. Wow. So the amount of dollar I'm going to get is $5.95. $5.95, and the total amount I'm going to be paying is 10,132 naira 1 kobo. So I will say yes, go ahead. So once I say go ahead, it's going to generate the account for me to pay. So I will just go to my mobile mobile bank account, mobile app to do the transfer. That's what I will do right now. So once it generates it, I will do that. So these are the process through which you fund your account. Either you are using dollar or you are using your naira or cedis or any currency that you are using in your country. This is the process through which you fund your portfolio. So I will give it time for it to load. I think my network is a little bit slow. That is why. So here we go. So it's going to, it has calculated the amount I'm going to pay. So I will say pay right now so that it can generate the account for me. I will do, let me do a transfer. Okay, so it's showing me Wema Bank. You can see, so all these are legal ways that you can create wealth, and increase your financial goal. So these are process. You see, there is nothing like scam or anything that is confusing. There is no ambiguity in this process. So I'm going to do a transfer, and immediately I do the transfer, it will of course trigger. So remember, I'm funding 10,000, 132 1 kobo. Yes, 132 1 kobo. So I will choose the bank account, that is Wema Bank. I'm using my mobile phone to do this. Wema Bank. And what is the account number? 6046814506. Yes. So I will do this right away. Okay, good. It has shown me on my phone. So I'll go ahead and then make the payment. The moment I make the payment, I will wait here to say, good, I've done that. I say I have made this bank transfer. So if the funding went through, it will automatically, verify and notify the system. So payment made, it has checked it. Payment confirmation is taking a little process to confirm this payment. Once the payment has been confirmed, you will see everything will show in your portfolio. Say thank you, your payment. Thank you for your payment. So this has been done. And so I will then come back here to say, so you may not see this money you funded immediately. Yes, immediately. Sometimes it takes like 2 working days for the money to reflect in your portfolio, any of the portfolio you funded it. But using the local account, that is the NG portfolio, most times with less than 2 or 3 hours, the money reflects in your portfolio. But that of the US portfolio, it takes a little while for it to be verified and reflect on your portfolio. So once you have done that, you leave it and you wait once the money reflects, and then you can use it for investment. So for those who want to also convert money or maybe withdraw money, the same process. For instance, I have some funds in my Naira account. For instance, I fund my Naira or local account. I can convert it. I can come here and then convert it to dollars. Let me say I want to, because I don't have enough money here, let me check any account that I have some money. So let me check this particular account. Yes, this is 552 naira. All right, so you see the same process. For instance, I want to withdraw this money or I want to convert it to my US portfolio, because some persons may make the mistake and go ahead and fund their local bank account, whereas you want to use US portfolio, that is your dollar portfolio, to make your investment. So what do you need to do? You convert the money from your local account, that is the NG portfolio or Ghana portfolio or any country portfolio, you convert it to US portfolio so that you can be able to buy. Because if you don't have money here, there's no way you can invest in foreign stocks. If you have money here, that is the only time you can invest in the local stocks. So For me, I want to convert this money. So what do? I will come here right now and say, okay, I want to convert. Let me convert 200 naira, because I don't have enough money right there. So to where? So you choose the destination. I'm converting it to US portfolio, and this is what is going to give me estimated credit. So I will say review. So once you click review, this is what you are going to get when you do that 11 cents. Yes, no problem. I'm just using this to teach you how you can convert your money from this to here. So it has removed immediately 200 naira. I had 552 naira before, but now I have 352 naira. The same way, if you want to withdraw your money, for instance, I want to withdraw either this or this. If I want to withdraw from my dollar account, I'll just come here, withdraw funds. So withdraw funds, Naira bank account. You withdraw it to Naira bank account. Don't forget, whether you are withdrawing dollars, it will convert the dollar into your local currency and then fund your account, because you have entered your account there. So you can say continue. So when you come here right now, it will show that you have already entered your own account. So once you have your account here, the money will be credited into your account. So, but I'm not doing that. I'm just using this to show you the process through which you can fund your account. So this is so awesome. And for every other thing, you can play around them. Funding, convert. These are the process through which you can fund your account. Right now, in our next video, I'm going to teach how you can start buying shares. How you can use the limit options, how you can buy and then hold your account. These are processes that you can buy, through which you can buy your shares. So make sure you follow and pay attention to every details that I'm going to be given in the next video.